Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we are going to be drawing and learning together. Grab your crayons and paper. Are you ready? Let's draw together. And if you like drawing and fun stories, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Let me tell you about our tasty topic while we draw. A sandwich is like a cozy food hug. 2 pieces of bread hold a team of yummy things. Maybe crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, cheese, eggs, or pickles. You can make it simple or silly. There's no one right way. Your sandwich, your rules. Now, what are pregnancy cravings? When someone is pregnant, their body is growing a baby. That's a big job. Sometimes their taste buds and nose get extra strong. They might want certain foods a lot, like sour pickles or sweet ice cream. They might not like other smells for a while. And guess what? This is normal. Not everyone has cravings, and that's okay too. Here's a sweet lesson. When a grown-up in your family is pregnant, we can be kind helpers. We can ask, "Would you like some water?" Or, "Can I help make a snack?" We can use safe foods, wash hands, and keep the kitchen tidy. Being kind is the best ingredient. Let's jump into a silly pretend scene. Ready? Imagine a cartoon mom we all know and love wakes up and says, I want a banana pickle peanut butter sandwich. What? Banana and pickle together? You won't believe it, but that's her funny craving today. So the family becomes super sandwich chefs. One brings the peanut butter, one brings the banana slices, one brings the pickles. They stack it up with a giggle. Crunchy, sweet, salty. Wow, what a mix! Guess what happens when they take a bite? She smiles big and says, "Just right for me." The others make their own sandwiches with their own favorite foods. Everyone is happy and the kitchen smells like lunchtime fun. What do you think they added next? Maybe a few spinach leaves for a super green crunch? Or a drizzle of honey for a sweet zigzag? What would you like to add to your silly sandwich? If you think that's a funny combo, give this video a big like. Okay, sandwich scientists, time for fun facts. Fun fact number 1. The sandwich got its name from a person called the Earl of Sandwich a long time ago. He liked to eat bread with food inside, so he could keep playing cards without getting messy hands. Smart and snacky. Fun fact number 2. Around the world, people make sandwichy snacks in lots of ways. Some use pita pockets, some make wraps with flatbread, and some stack tall sandwiches with veggies piled high. So many shapes, so many tastes. But that's not all. Let's talk pickles. A pickle is a cucumber that takes a bath in salty, vinegary juice. That bath helps it stay crunchy for a long time. Crunch, crunch! Some pickles are sour, some are sweet. Which kind do you like? Now a gentle fact about pregnancy cravings. Cravings can be strong, but they come and go. Some days the grown-up wants salty snacks. Some days fruity sweets. Bodies are amazing and always changing. If you try new combos, always ask a grown-up first and check for allergies. Safety first, tummy's happy. Let's learn a kindness trick for pregnant helpers. Offer a comfy seat. Bring a glass of water. Use quiet voices when they need rest. Ask before cooking strong-smelling foods. These little things make a big difference. Here's a quick brain boost while we draw. Imagine your sandwich has 3 tomato circles and 2 cucumber circles. How many round pieces is that? 5. High five, math chef! Color power tip for your real lunch. Try a rainbow. Red tomato, green spinach, orange carrots, purple cabbage. More colors, more fun. And remember, every big chef washes hands before making food. Clean hands are healthy hands. Another cool snack idea: fruit and yogurt, cheese and whole grain crackers, or peanut butter and banana, if peanuts are okay for you. If you're not sure, ask a grown-up about safe foods for your family. And keep drawing and coloring with me. The final image will wow you. I can't wait to see your super silly craving sandwich with all its funny layers. Maybe it has a pickle smile, a banana mustache, or a tomato nose. Your drawing might make someone laugh, and that is the best spice. Let's do one more mini imagine. You open your lunchbox. Inside is your silly sandwich, a note that says "You're amazing" and a crunchy apple. You take a bite. Crunch! Now you have energy for reading, playing, and learning. Food is fuel for fun. You did amazing! Today we drew Mummy Pig's super silly craving sandwich and learned 3 things. 1. A sandwich is a yummy food hug with your favorite fillings. 2. Pregnancy cravings are normal. Bodies change and taste can too. 3. If you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends. Bye!